Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Any of you guys thinking about getting married, can't afford the expensive cosmetic dentistry out there, and you want a really quick fix that looks amazing, that you can smile with in your pictures on your wedding day, we got the appliance for you, Snap-on Smile. We have a patient here, she's getting married in a week, correct?
Correct.
In 1 week. Okay, and you came in to see us because?
I wanted to have a beautiful smile on my wedding day. I've been following you for years with Deborah Duncan, and it was my desire. Once I realized I was getting married, I became sad due to the fact
sad that you were getting married, or?
No, due to the fact that I needed a beautiful smile. So Dr. Terri Alani has made it possible. It was affordable. I've had so much fun with she as well as her staff, and it's been a blessing to be here today.
All right, good. Okay, so are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Now, you haven't seen it.
I have not seen it at all.
Okay, cool. I can't wait. So we're going to go ahead and show the audience what your teeth look like. So go ahead and open. So this patient, her lower teeth are really worn down, and she's missing teeth on the lower right and also on her lower left. So we need to build these up. And her upper teeth, again, she's missing teeth on the upper right and turn towards me, and she's missing all these teeth on the left. You're thinking, well, she can't have an appliance because it won't be sturdy enough. But what we're going to do is we're going to match this tooth with the top and not go back any further. And we discussed that with you, correct?
Correct.
And so we can get her something that she can wear on her wedding day. Just wait till you see this. Bite down for me. So here's her smile. We're going to open her bite up a little bit so you can see more teeth and just make it as beautiful as possible. So here are her upper teeth. This is a model of her upper teeth. She's missing teeth here and here. And here are her lower teeth. And so a partial really isn't going to do what she wants, which is cover her front teeth and make them cosmetic. So we came up with our removable Snap-on Smile appliance that's going to fit over her lower teeth perfectly, and then the upper is going to replace her missing teeth. You can see here where they replace the missing teeth and cover the front teeth. So it will go over her front teeth. I'm not going to snap this in just so you guys can see it, and it's going to replace the teeth on this side and the teeth on this side and fit over, but I'm going to show it to you in a minute. So we're going to go ahead and try on the lower one first. And again, what we did is we opened her up just a little bit. We made these a little bit taller, and these snap in perfectly. You can see how retentive they are. They are not loose at all. Now, we did not go all the way back because we're going to go to where her top teeth are, and the appliance would not be sturdy enough. We're going to go to her uppers. Here's her upper. Lower your chin, please. So we fit exactly over her top teeth, and these just fit. Take a look. They fit perfectly at the gum line. Bite down, and there you have it. Turn towards me. So we only went back as far. We did not go all the way back, but when she smiles, she's going to have a beautiful smile for her wedding day. All right, you haven't seen them, right?
No,
you ready
yet.
for the big reveal? She's so calm.
I'm ready.
I can't wait till she sees them. All right, let's take you ready.
I am ready.
This is going to be for your wedding day.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I can't wait. All right, turn the mirror over.
Okay. Oh my gosh. It changed my look. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. It lifted my face. They're gorgeous. Look at this. This is really beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
They look like they grew there. I just love the way they fit at the gum line, right? Yep. And so now bite down. When you bite down, you actually, on your back teeth, bite on your back teeth. There you go. You actually show teeth now.
Yes.
Wow.
Before I didn't. This is really beautiful. It has changed my facial look.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Let's take
Thank
a
you
look.
so much.
Let me see. Smile. Oh, they're so pretty. Wow.
Thank
How
you.
does that feel?
Oh, I look like everyone in here. I look wonderful.
Now, how do they feel?
Beautiful.
Are they real sturdy?
They're sturdy.
Yeah, I feel like you can
They
eat
feel
with them.
they feel comfortable. You know, I feel like I can eat with them.
Yeah, you'll be able to, and your sound, your speech. Now, we did adjust your speech because you had a little bit of a lisp, but we adjusted
Yes.
that. So now that sounds really good
And
as
it's
well.
better than a partial. I wore a partial for years, and this is better.
Well, because it does two things in one. What it does is it covers your existing teeth cosmetically, right?
Yes.
And then it also replaces the missing teeth.
Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. Wow. I was very embarrassed because I had a chipped tooth in the front. There's no chipped tooth anymore.
Nope, it's all
I
gone.
can't believe this. I could smile. They're gorgeous, top and bottom.
Yeah, yeah. So what do you think your fiance is going to say when he sees
Oh,
them?
he's going to be shocked.
Are you going to show them? Are you going to show them to him before the wedding day or on the wedding day?
Well, before.
Yeah.
Because everyone is excited. My daughter, everyone is waiting for this moment. So I'm excited.
I know. I know. Is your daughter out there?
No, she's in Missouri,
Okay.
and she's waiting for this big moment. So
All right.
I'll take a picture and
Oh
send
yeah,
it
and
to
send
her.
it. I think they're awesome. High five, young lady.
High five.
We did good, didn't we? They are
Beautiful.
gorgeous.
Thank you.
Snap
Thank
on
you.
smile. Dr. Terri Alani, TexasToothLady. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.